Welcome back to our WordPress and WooCommerce tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore the difference between posts and pages, two of the most essential content types in WordPress. Whether you're creating a blog or building a business website, knowing how and when to use each is key to managing your site like a pro. Before we get hands-on, let's clarify what posts and pages are. Posts are used for blog-style entries. They're listed chronologically, can be categorized, and often invite comments. Pages are more static and timeless, perfect for information that rarely changes, like your about, services, or contact pages. Understanding this difference helps you build a well-structured site that's easy to navigate. Let's jump into the demo. I'll walk you through creating both a post and a page, highlighting the key differences, where they appear on your site, and how to organize them effectively. Follow along on your own installation. To summarize, posts are used for dynamic, regularly updated content like blogs, news, or tutorials. Pages are for timeless, standalone content like About Us or Contact. Understanding this distinction helps keep your site clean, organized, and user-friendly. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with fellow learners, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we'll begin setting up WooCommerce to turn your WordPress site into a full-featured online store.